The CDC says more than 74 million Americans are now fully vaccinated against coronavirus. That's just over 22% of the U.S. population. And it includes 1.7 million fully vaccinated Georgians. Right now, anyone in our state who's 16 or older can request a vaccine appointment. At one point, you remember, vaccine appointments were just really hard to come by in Metro Atlanta. But Caitlin Ross discovered today the state currently has more shots than it does people wanting to get vaccinated. So availability is wide open, including Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
There are 300,000 COVID-19 vaccination appointments available in Georgia over the next few days alone. The Department of Health thinks it's because of spring break.
People are traveling more. They're spending more time with their family due to the spring break weeks, and it has led to a lot of open appointments across the state.
Georgia Department of Health Dr. R. Chris Rustin coordinates the logistics for administering the COVID-19 vaccine across the state and says he's not surprised the vaccination numbers are so low this week.
We saw the same thing with testing, usually around big holidays or events where people typically travel. We see testing drop.
He says ideally every vaccination appointment in the state would be filled, but right now a lot of them are open, especially in South Georgia.
We've also seen a lot of hesitancy or something that's preventing people from getting vaccinated, primarily in South Georgia, and we're currently studying that.
The White House just announced they will not change the allocation of vaccine per state based on how many people in the state want it. They're basing it on population. So the Department of Health wants to use all of the COVID vaccine they're receiving.
We certainly don't want to see as much inventory sitting out there as we're seeing, but it's reflective of the fact that we do have a lot of open appointments.
Part of the problem could be that people are waiting for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to become available. That's the one-and-done shot. But the state isn't planning on using it at any of the mass vaccination sites anytime soon.